Hello people, welcome to Assisting All. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and those who have already subscribed my channel, you're the best. So in this video, we'll talk about another HR interview experience of Wipro NLTH 2021. Before we move on to the questions, I would like to tell you all that stay safe, stay at home, go out only if it is very necessary. So now without any further ado, let's quickly move on to the questions and see when was it scheduled, what all questions were asked, how is it different from other HR interview experiences. So this interview was scheduled on 29th April 2021. As it goes in every interview, the interviewer asks the introduction. He or she asks the candidate to introduce herself. So you have to introduce yourself in a minute or 1.5 minute. So you have to say things like, who are you? I am dash 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 from XYZ college, and I'm currently pursuing BTech in CSC or whatever. Then you have to tell about your projects that you have done, then your hobbies, then strengths and weaknesses. Actually, a lot of you were asking me about how do you introduce yourself in any interview. There are people who are giving interviews for the first time, and that is why this confusion is arising. So this is what you have to say in an introduction. Also, I have made a video on introducing yourself in any interview. That would be on top right corner. You can go and watch that video after this video. Please do watch this video till the end. Okay, so that is what you have to say in any introduction, in any interview. Okay, one thing that I want to suggest you is you can add this line that I want to be an asset to the company. Okay, this would impress the interviewer because you have not joined the company yet, but you want to be an asset to the company. Okay, this will show your dedication and your willingness to join the company. Okay, next question, tell me two strengths and also tell me examples where you have used these strengths. So what happens is in any interview you are asked about your strengths, your weaknesses and all of those. But here the interviewer asks this question that tell me two strengths, but with a twist that you have to tell about the situation in which you used your strength. Okay, so what I have seen is that 70-80% of the candidate they write quick learn that they are a quick learner. Okay, so in this situation, what is an example, like what is the situation in which you prove that you are a quick learner? So what you can say is that I was working on this project, or an internship. You can say any of these, and the technology stack was new to me. I had not worked on this technology before, but using the online resources, I studied about the technology stack and worked upon the project or the internship, anything. Okay, so this is the situation or the example that you can give in this question. Next question, what is your weakness? So you have to tell your weakness in a positive way, and in a positive way I mean that I you can say like, I like to keep my platter full all the time. I like to keep working and involve myself in different activities, leaving no time for myself. This is a weakness in a positive way. Okay, so next question, when I told my weakness, then she told me, how can you say this is a weakness? Please explain. So the candidate was asked to explain why do you think this is a weakness to you? Okay. Next question, have you heard any latest news about Wipro? I told two news that I have searched on the Wipro LinkedIn page. So this was smart of this candidate. He had already done his research before sitting for the interview. Like I have told in many of my videos that do research about the company before sitting for the interview. The HR who is sitting in front of you, he wants to know that have you done enough research before sitting for this interview? Do you even know anything about the company, or you are just sitting for this interview anyway? Okay, so do research about the company before sitting for it. Okay, next question, who is the CEO of Wipro? This also comes in the research part. You have to research about the CEO, the founder, the co-founder if it has any. Then the technologies they are working, number of employees, and all of those questions. Okay. Next question, tell me about your hobby. This is also a very basic HR question that you can be asked. Do prepare about these questions. So questions like your strengths, your weaknesses, your hobbies, your motive in life, your goal in life, what is your motivation, what motivates you, all of these questions. Next question, why do you want to join this company? So the interviewer wants to know that there are so many companies, but why do you want to join our company? What is the special thing about that, about our company? What what makes you want to join this company? Okay, so just be honest and tell the interviewer that you want to join this company because of these reasons. Okay. Next question, I am done from my side. Do you have any question for me? So this was the last question. The As it happens in every interview, the HR asks the candidate if he or she has any question for him or her. So that was it about this video, about this interview experience. I'll be posting more interview experience hopefully. I'm actually not being regular in posting videos, but I will post videos from next week consistently maybe. So thank you for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Thank you for watching.